Luzon. So sana yung mga bayan ng Mindanao ay makinabang din. Tapos tinanong ko rin kay Monching kung present rin niya yung ILO program. At yes, he did. To enable mayors, the ILO-sponsored program to enable mayors to share best practices on livelihood projects for your workers in your constituents. So para sa mga pandagdag sa IRA na programang ganito, congratulations sa League of Municipalities. So the LMP shares the lesson that I have been imparting, that global engagement is what has been an essential component of what has kept our country from getting pulled under the raging economic waves sweeping most countries. At bahagi nitong global engagement, kakadating ko lang galing sa Libya. Ang Libya ay isang key ally na nagpapalakas ng ating paradigm for peace in Mindanao. Ang Libya ay laging pinanindigan tayo. Noong una pang nagkaroon ng terrorist crisis tayo noong 2001, yung Dos Palmas, nakausap ko si President Gaddafi at tinatanong nga niya kung anong tulong ang kailangan natin. At sinabi ko, ang tulong na gusto ko, labanan yung mga terorista dahil ayaw ko magbigay ng ransom. At sabi niya, sige, tutulong ako, and he has been helping. Malaki ang tulong ng Libya sa pagdala ng kapayapaan at pag-asa sa Mindanao. At hindi lang yun, dahil si Gaddafi ay isang leader sa buong Africa na napakaraming mga Muslim countries doon, malaki rin ang kanyang tinutulong sa pagbuo ng ating mas malalim na relasyon sa mga bansang Muslim. At kasama ng Brunei at Hapon, ang Libya, silang tatlo, ang ating international monitoring team ng ceasefire natin kasama sa MILF. Bukod doon, sa pagpapalakas ng relasyon natin sa kanila, ay kausap ko rin yung Gaddafi Foundation na gustong tumulong sa pamamagitan ng investment sa Mindanao. Ang pinag-usapan namin, kagabi lang yun, hindi, makalawang kagabi pala, ay bago ako umalis, ay yung maglagay ng investments doon sa mga paligid ng Liguasan Marsh at saka Agusan Marsh. Tulungan natin silang gumawa ng magandang proyekto. That is a very important part of our poverty alleviation program, which we want to do throughout the Philippines, but especially in Mindanao, where 6 of our poorest provinces are located. Namely, Tawi-Tawi, welcome sa ating mga mayors ng Tawi-Tawi. Zamboanga del Norte, Maguindanao, yan, welcome, nakita ko yung mga mayors doon. Surigao del Norte and Dinagat Islands, and Lanao del Sur. Likewise, 6 of our most food-poor provinces, namely Zamboanga del Norte, Tawi-Tawi, Agusan del Sur, nakita ko yung isang mayor ng Agusan del Sur dyan, Maguindanao, Surigao del Norte, and Dinagat Islands. They're also in Mindanao. So we are working to use the larger part, the biggest part of our resources, go to our mission of alleviating poverty. So once again, I ask you mayors, let us work hard to fulfill our Philippine reform agenda until our terms end. Let us fight for the economy, education, the environment. Bahagi ng ating poverty alleviation, we have a national anti-hunger task force. Yun ang nasa ilalim ng pamumuhunan panguluhan ni Secretary Pincoy Duque. Kaya I asked him to come here today because 6 of the most food-poor provinces are in Mindanao. And I asked the National Nutrition Council to conduct more, no, the Anti-Poverty Task Force to conduct more frequent visits to the most food-poor provinces to identify the problems firsthand and to do what is necessary to address them as quickly as possible. Ngayon, dahil hindi naman makapunta kaagad ang National Nutrition Council sa lahat ng bahagi ng ating bansa, I asked them to create local anti-hunger task forces in the provinces to assist in locating the problems and resolving them as soon as possible. Gusto natin na yung sistema ng national and local anti-hunger task force ay palalakasin ang cooperation ng national government at local government para harapin ang problema ng kagutuman sa ating bansa sa paraang mas mabilis at mas mabisa. There are already regional anti-hunger task forces organized by the National Nutrition Council in such provinces as Sarangani, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga Sibugay, Agusan del Sur, Maguindanao, Surigao del Norte, at yung unang-una, yung Lanao del Norte. Pinuntahan ko ngayon Lanao del Norte at sa interview, pinaliwanag ni Governor Khalid Dimapuro kung ano ang ginagawa nung anti-hunger task force ng Lanao del Norte at sana magawa ito sa lahat ng mga probinsya ng Mindanao lalo na yung 6 na most food-poor provinces ng Mindanao. And I hope that our mayors will be active in those councils. Kaya tinawag ko si Secretary Duque dito para tiyakin na in those provinces I just mentioned now, we will organize local anti-hunger task forces kaagad. So meron kayong output nitong meeting ninyo dito on top of the ones that Mayor Gico was able to brief you about. Dear mayors, you have laid your own plans to make your respective constituents more productive and to bring your towns nearer to your growth targets. And it's good that you're the ones making your plans. It's good that the league is working together to help you make your plans better and implement them better, because it is you, rather than the national government, that know best how to strengthen your respective local units. Our part was to reform the internal revenue to assure you of funds to finance your projects. All of us are doing this, national and local, for our people. We are elected officials. They have placed us where we are, so we cannot but give them the best of our efforts. And as you have enjoyed your 2 nights and 3 days of, I hope, pleasurable meetings here in Clark, I hope that you will go back home refreshed to continue to give your constituents the best of your efforts. Welcome once again. Daghang salamat. Thank you.
Thank you very much.